today we're doing a huge summer haul. This bag is full of clothes and they were all free. So most of you are probably wondering how these clothes are free. They are not part of PR packages or PR gifts, guys. These are actual clothes that I got from my friend Sukanya. So we do this thing called a style swap where we each give each other like a huge bag of clothes, and this is my bag and I sent her a bag. So a lot of you keep asking me to do hauls, and I felt like this is a nice way to do a haul, kind of like a thrifting haul, even though it's not really thrifting, but it is like, you know, gifting from my friends. But we do this style swap every few months and it really works for us, and I feel like anyone can do this and it's free and everyone benefits from it. So try it. Let's get into the haul. With my first item, this lovely cool denim tube top. Now, this is something normally I might have bought, but I'm not entirely sure. But I really love the way it looks. I would probably pair it with, like, you know, formal black trousers, white trousers with heels, or even with just shorts. I feel like it looks really cool if you want like a casual, you know, look, or you wear it with a white shirt. It's so versatile. But again, it's something I probably wouldn't have bought, but Sukanya gave it to me, so got a new tube top. Next up, we have my favorite. Okay, so this dress I've already worn. Confession, I wore it last night. It is really cool. It's like a denim dress with all this detailing here. It's a mango dress, but I'm going to call it the Sukanya since it came from Sukanya. And I really love it. Like, I wore it last night. I can't tell you guys. I was like, as I was leaving, Weber was like, what, feeling hot? I was like, yeah, after like forever. And I don't mean like hot like this kind of hot. I meant like, oh my god, I'm so hot. Like, you know what I mean? Like, this dress makes you feel like that. Then we have this guy that I really wish could be my guy, but sadly it's not. It's a size too small for me. This is a US size 2, which is smaller than what I usually wear anyways, and it's really tiny. Now Sukanya is petite and sometimes she thinks that I will get into all her petite clothes as well. I wish I fit into this one. I tried really hard because I love it, but no. And I have someone who is going to fit into this, who is this size, and it's going to. So this is the best part about swapping. You know, you can pass clothes along, and for the person that's getting it, it feels like a new set of clothes. Like, kind of like thrifting, I guess, but obviously it's free, so it's even better. And yeah, it's just, you probably will get things that you normally wouldn't wear. The next one is an exact example of that. Okay, so this is a dress I probably would have never bought ever. And when I pulled it out initially, I was like, I'm not sure if I will wear it. But when I tried it, man, this dress fits me like a glove, makes my booty look so nice, and it was just like, I felt like it was made for me. So this is exactly what I mean, that sometimes you might not try something like this in a store, but when your friend sends it to you and you try it at home and you're like, oh my god, this was made for me. This happened with this dress. Now this next one is all about the slit, guys. When you look at it, it doesn't feel like such a mega slit like this. But when you try it, it's like really makes a statement and it looks really cool. Now this dress again can be worn casually with sneakers for a day out, or you can dress it up with heels. Really sexy, really makes you feel hot and sexy. You know the expression, fits me like a glove? This dress is kind of literally like that. It is skin tight. You cannot hide anything, okay? Like, it's like, I was a little like, oh my god, I haven't worn something so tight in the pandemic when I first tried it. But then I kind of liked it. And I thought, oh, I could wear it with like a long jacket, or like, you know, it would be really cool in the winter to do like boots with. So again, it totally depends on your vibe. Like, I see Sukanya wearing this like to a work thing with like stilettos, you know, like pointy shoes and this dress. That could be cool as well. I would probably wear it with like an oversized, you know, jacket or kaftani type thing over. But yeah, I mean, you can style it in different ways, but it's really like that snug fit that's not very forgiving, if you know what I mean. Then we have what I call the Korean dress. This is from Primark, I think. Yeah, really cute. This is again one of my favorites. I wore it with a nice like black polo neck, which I thought would be perfect for my trip to Seoul in my head, in my dreams. You know, like I was wearing this dress with that top with knee-length boots in the winter and snow falling and me being in a K-drama, but that's not happening. So for now, we just have the cute dress. But yeah, fits into my like Korean vibe right now. Really like it. And I just thought it's cute, and like you can wear it with a t-shirt, you can wear it with a polo neck, a sweater underneath, depending on whatever. Like lots of uses for this guy. He's gonna be around for a while. Then we have this beauty. Again, this one fit me really well. I would normally not buy anything like this. This is from Forever New. It's a pretty dress, like very feminine, very pretty, which I don't normally do a lot of, and Sukanya does a lot of. So it's really nice when I get a bag full of clothes from her, because I know something's going to be girly and feminine. And this actually, when I wore it, looked really nice. And I was thinking it could be cool, like casually with like white sneakers as well. Like, I'm digging this look now. Now, another thing I know I will always get from Sukanya, a whole lot of white. So you guys know I am more of a, like a person that likes black. I prefer black as a color. I buy a lot of black. I wear a lot of black. I rarely buy white. So this is kind of nice and refreshing, because when you see it, you're like, oh my God, white. Again, this is Forever New. Really cool. I love the detailing with the, you know, this portion and the like flat bits on the side. Really different, again, very feminine and very like white, which I would never do like a full white formal dress like this. I can't even remember the last time I bought a white dress, guys. So sometimes it pushes you out of your comfort zone to kind of swap clothes, and then you actually realize, and like you're thinking, why wasn't I wearing more white? You know what I mean? So yeah, love this. Another white feminine beauty. This is all lace. And it is really beautiful. Like, I think this is it's the prettiest dress in the lot, because it's just so like feminine and delicate and elegant and all things that I'm not. But when I wore it, I was all those things. You know what I mean? So yeah, really love this one. Very pretty, very like cute. And yeah, different to my style, but I like it. And last but not the least, we have the sexy Vixen dress. Like, I feel like this is like, you know, what a Vixen in a show or a movie would wear. Again, when I saw it, I was like, yeah, okay, it's nice. I don't know if it's my style. Will I wear it? Won't I wear it? But when I tried it, I was like, oh, hello. And it really makes you feel kind of like, you know, like as I said, sexy, and like that mean girl sexy vibe. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know what I'm saying, but you know what I'm saying. So guys, those are all the clothes I got from Sukanya in this haul, this sustainable style swap haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also comment below with your favorite outfit from today's haul. I feel like it's the mango dress for me. Comment below. See ya!